Hello everyone. Our next topic is a Kirchhoff's law of heat radiation and its a theoretical proof from the lesson Kinetic Theory of Gases and Radiation. Kirchhoff's law deals with the wavelength of specific radiated emission and absorption by body when bodies are in a thermal equilibrium. That means Kirchhoff's law deals with the wavelength of emission and absorption. So now state the Kirchhoff's law of heat radiation. In a given temperature, the ratio of emissive power to the coefficient of absorption by body is equal to the emissive power of a perfect black body at the same temperature for all wavelengths. This means it is a ratio for ordinary body and this is one for the black body. Here R is the emissive power of ordinary body, A is the coefficient of emission for that body, RB is the emissive power of a perfect black body. So as Kirchhoff's law relate with the emissive powers of ordinary body and perfect black body, so there is an alternative statement which is based on coefficient of emission or emissivity. What is alternative statement? At a given temperature, the coefficient of absorption equal to coefficient of emission. Because of this emissivity or coefficient of emission related with the ratio of R to RB, as you discussed in earlier topic. Also, in terms of wavelength, this can be written as A of lambda equal to E of lambda. That means absorption is a function of wavelength, emission is a function of wavelength. This is a statement of our Kirchhoff's law. Now proof. Kirchhoff's law proved by the thought experiment. Actually, Kirchhoff's law is proved by the thought experiment. What is thought experiment? Kirchhoff's law consider a constant temperature enclosure. Here is a constant temperature enclosure. That means temperature of this enclosure remaining constant. So this one is a constant temperature enclosure. And he consider two bodies, ordinary body called as A and perfect black body called as a B, having same geometrical shapes. That means both bodies are having the same area. Body A is ordinary, body B is a perfect black body. So this one is a perfect black body. These two bodies are kept or suspended in a constant temperature enclosure. That means all three enclosure and these two bodies are in a thermal equilibrium. So now let Q be the amount of radiant energy or amount of heat incident on each bodies. Q is the amount of heat incident on each bodies, body A and on body B. So what amount of heat absorbed by body A and what amount of heat absorbed by body B. But as the temperature of both bodies are same, they will emit the same energy as they absorb. So certain amount of energy absorbed by both bodies, but same amount of energy released by that both bodies. So the amount of radiant energy amount of radiant energy absorbed by body A is QA. So what is the value of QA? According to previous concepts, QA is equal to A into Q. So this is from the coefficient of absorption is a ratio of amount of energy absorbed by body to the amount of energy incident on it. So this is the amount of energy absorbed by the body A, which is an ordinary body. So now, as the temperature of both bodies are same, so both bodies are emitted same energy as they absorb. So from that, there is most important statement: the amount of radiant energy absorbed by body A equal to the amount of radiant energy emitted by same body A. So how much amount of radiant energy absorbed by body A? Here is given A into Q amount of energy absorbed. So R is the amount of energy released or emitted by this body. This is from R is the amount of energy released emitted per area per time. This is the emissive power of that particular body. So R is the amount of energy, radiant energy emitted by this body per area per time. So this is equation number first. So now for perfect black body, same relation, the amount of radiant energy absorbed by black body B equal to amount of radiant energy emitted by the black body B. So amount of radiant energy absorbed by body B is a Q, and amount of radiant energy emitted by that black body is a RB. Because of RB equals to what? Q upon 80. Again, this is the emissive power of a perfect black body. Here Q only, because here coefficient of absorption is a 1. Q amount of energy incident, but AQ amount of energy absorbed by ordinary body, and total entire energy means Q amount of energy is absorbed by the perfect black body. Because of that, this is a perfect black body, because its coefficient of absorption is a 1. So we are getting two equations dividing equation 1 by 2. We are getting A into Q divided by Q equal to R by R. Therefore, A equal to what? R by RB. So here is the first proof, RB equals to R by A. But as you know that R by RB is a E, so A equal to E, hence proof. So the coefficient of absorption equal to coefficient of emission. This is a Kirchhoff's law of heat radiation. Okay. Thanks.